Hey, welcome to Skill Up Commerce, where we turn confusing commerce stuff into easy wins. Still checking your stock profits in your head? That's like trying to track your calories with a pizza in your hand. Today, I'll show you how to build your own stock portfolio profit or loss tracker in Excel in under 2 minutes. First, type stock portfolio profit or loss tracker. Highlight it, hit merge or center, make it big, bold, give it the boss treatment. Now, create 8 columns: stock name, AVG by price, quantity, current price, invested amount, current value, profit, loss, and returns. This is our magic recipe. Let's toss in some example stocks, random prices, quantities, just to make it real. You can use your actual numbers later. Here's the magic: invested amount equals buy price multiplied by quantity. Current value equals current price multiplied by quantity. Profit, loss equals current value minus invested amount. Returns equals profit and loss divided by invested amount multiplied by 100. Pause and try each before moving on. Yes, you. Don't just watch me work. Let's add some color with conditional formatting. If profit or loss is above 0, it will show in light green. If it's below 0, it will show in light red. This way, you can see gains and losses instantly. Select everything, center it, add borders, and make the header a thick border so it screams, "I'm important." This isn't just numbers, it's your money story. Below, we'll show total invested, current value, total PL, and returns in percent. One more formula, and boom, you have a quick snapshot of your portfolio. To make it crystal clear, we'll add conditional formatting here too: light green if it's above 0, and light red if it's below 0. Now your summary speaks for itself. Add a last updated date so you know exactly when your numbers were fresh. Trust me, future you will thank you. And that's it, your very own Excel stock tracker. Simple, powerful, and yours forever. If you liked this, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and share it with that one friend who thinks Excel is just a word. More quick Excel hacks are coming, so stay tuned.